What's going on with y'all? It's Heaven's Wings back again with another video, and I know it's been a big minute, but yeah, we're back, and I wanted to just let y'all know that I've officially started the front page of the book Firebond Children of Light, and yeah, let's get the show on the roll. Right now, as you can see, I'm like coloring the front page of it. I'm coloring everything in, and I'm going in like doing details and stuff like that. Previously, I was sketching it out and everything. My apologies for that. I should have recorded that, but during that time, again, like I said, for the delay, I was pursuing a welding career, and as I was getting into that welding career, a lot has happened throughout that time. I was really busy, and I was just investing a lot of time into what I wanted to do for real, and a lot of twists and turns. The enemy was like kind of in my head and boggling me, you know what I'm saying, and using everything around me to just kind of like stall me. But at the same time, you know, I pushed through, you know what I'm saying, I got through it and everything. But yeah, as you can see, this is me drawing the front page, Firebond Children of Light, and yeah, so throughout that time, you know what I'm saying, I finished the first half of the chapter already. The second chapter is still in the works, and that will be completed by towards the end of the year. And yeah, but as I'm going in right now, I want to tell y'all that this will all be drawn like how I was doing in my previous videos. I'll be doing it in black and white, different pages, like how I did in the traditional, like I was explaining to y'all like how traditional Japanese artists do it, black and white. But it will be, this time you will be reading it right to left instead of left to right. So yeah, I'll be doing it black and white at the different pages, and right now I'm just coloring the front page. All of this will be publicized digitally because I'm going to scan it into Procreate and have it done digitally. But for now, I want to show y'all everything done traditionally, like the whole first volume. And yeah, also throughout that delayed time, you know, I've gotten a lot of insight through God himself, and a lot of insight, you know, spiritually, physically, throughout my life, you know what I'm saying, like coming in to this little small time of delay and investment. Like a lot has happened between this time, you know, getting into bad relationships and getting into bad things. You know, the enemy is just using a lot of people to kind of like attack me and delay me in my process of making this. So again, I apologize for the delay, and yeah, we back in action. I'm happy y'all still here and y'all still tuned in. A lot of people have been asking me, you know, where I've been and stuff like that, but yeah, now I'm back for sure. And yeah, I'm right now, as you can see, I'm using like traditional Crayola color pencils to like color the front page, you know, because I want to show y'all how I do it. Like, you know, I don't have the best materials, I don't have the best, you know what I'm saying, I don't have the best things to use for the drawing, but I'm doing my best because all of this is going to be transferred, like I said, into Procreate, and it's going to be publicized all digitally, printed out, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, this is my first time doing something like this, and you know, bear with me, you know. I pray y'all having a good day and everything too as well. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video and everything. And that's it, y'all. That's the end of the video. You know, just the front cover of Firebond Children of Light. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all boys and girls. But before I end this video off, I wanted to let y'all know the word of the day, and it is Romans 1:17, and it says, this good news tells us how God makes us right in this height. This is accomplished from the start to finish by faith. As the scriptures say, it is through faith that a righteous person has lived. Romans 1:17. And this means the good news shows us both how righteous and how merciful God has been in his plan to save us, and how we may be fit for eternal life. When we trust Jesus with our lives, God restores and makes right our relationship with him. You know what I'm saying? He makes our relationship right with him. From start to finish, God declares us to have right standing with him by faith and faith alone. Paul quotes this from Habakkuk 2:4 to show that as we trust God, we are saved. We have both life we have life both now and forever. My bad. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Through faith, Elijah went to heaven. You know, when you have good faith, when you have a lot of faith, a lot of things can be possible. I love y'all boys and girls. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a beautiful, blessed day. And thank y'all for watching the video. Subscribe, like, share. And yeah, I'm taking off.